The central and southern provinces of Laos are bracing for heavy rain and occasional strong winds in the coming days, with meteorologists warning of rising water levels along the Mekong River in Pakxan district, Borikhamxay province, and the southern regions, heightening the risk of further flooding. The Meteorology and Hydrology Department issued guidance on Sunday for residents residing along the riverbanks in Pakxan district, Khammouan, and Savanakhet provinces to stay vigilant by monitoring weather updates and preparing for any potential emergencies. Forecast also indicates continued rainfall and gusty winds across Phongsaly, Houaphanh, and Xinjiang provinces, with temperatures expected to range between 19 to 28 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, the northwest regions including Lonamta, Bokel, Udomsai, Lumpopang, and Sanyaburi provinces will experience light rain and occasional thunderstorms with temperatures varying from 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. In the central provinces of Vientiane, Borikhamxay, and Khammouan, heavy rain is anticipated, alongside temperatures ranging from 22 to 31 degrees Celsius. Saisambun province is expected to see slightly cooler temperatures between 20 to 31 degrees Celsius, with thunderstorms projected in certain areas. Southern provinces like Champasak, Sekong, and Atapu will encounter temperatures between 19 to 33 degrees Celsius, with heavy rain and strong winds in the forecast. Plateau regions will witness cooler temperatures ranging from 15 to 27 degrees Celsius, with heavy rainfall expected. Vientiane is also expected to receive more rainfall with temperatures spanning from 23 to 30 degrees Celsius. Thailand's Meteorology Department predicts scattered to fairly widespread thunder showers and isolated heavy to very heavy rain in provinces bordering Laos, such as Loi, Udon Thani, Nong Khai, Nakhon Phanom, and Khon Kaen, from September 14 to 17. From September 18 to 20th, lower regions will experience scattered thunder showers and isolated heavy rainfall. Temperatures will vary from 22 to 35 degrees Celsius, accompanied by variable winds ranging from 10 to 25 kilometers per hour, as per the department's website. In light of these forecasts, individuals in Laos are advised to stay updated via newspapers, radio, television, broadcasts, or by visiting the Meteorology and Hydrology Department's Facebook page to prepare for potential extreme weather conditions.